cutting this aloe vera into pieces, and then we're gonna go ahead and blend it. I made a lot because I also use this for my soap. Okay, so we're gonna use the black African soap and peppermint essential oil with grapefruit seed oil. That's gonna help with preserving the shampoo for a little bit. It's a natural preservative. And we're also gonna add some tea tree essential oil for antibacterial, and then we're gonna blend it all together with neem oil. Neem oil is really good for moisturizing their hair follicles. Neem oil is really good for moisturizing hair follicles because it's really high in fatty acid. It's like kind of like using avocado. And yeah, so that's the peppermint. I'll go ahead and add the benefits on the screen, and then we'll go ahead and blend it all together with aloe vera. We smooshed our black African soap into small pieces so we can fit it into our blender. We're gonna put a little bit. I'll show you guys. So this really, I don't have a measurement for it, but it just depends on how much you're looking to make, like for yourself. So this is what I have for, that's the aloe vera and that's the soap. I will be adding a little bit more aloe vera, so I'm gonna be blending this whole thing. So I'm gonna add few drops, just few drops. 1 second, let's see if I could do it with one hand. Doing half a teaspoon of the peppermint essential oil, a few drops of our grapefruit seed oil, a tablespoon of the tea tree essential oil, and we're adding half a cup of neem oil. Now neem oil does have a certain scent, so depending on how well you like the scent, you can add more or you can add less. We're gonna go ahead and blend this. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and wash our hair. We went ahead and wet our hair. We're wetting it so that the soap can lather a little bit better. Okay. Wanna make sure we get all inside. My hair takes a little while to get wet under, so I think there's a term for that. Ooh, I got some hair in my hair. I've got some water in my hair. So this is it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply. We're gonna go ahead and apply the soap that we made. This is the soap that we made. We're gonna go ahead and put it in our hair. All right guys, so we're all done washing our hair with our natural homemade shampoo using aloe vera and black African soap. So we're gonna go ahead and just let it air dry, and then we'll use our aloe vera hair conditioner that has castor oil. So if you're interested in that, please go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I do post that video. I do add other ingredients in the conditioner, so if you want to, in the leave-in conditioner, if you want to check that out, please make sure you subscribe so you'll be notified when I do post that video. I also will be doing protective style, so make sure you tune in to see my protective style, and I'll see you again in my next video. Amahoro.